Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open the App Store and download Google Wallet. Sign in with your Google account so the app can sync payment methods. Once done, grant location and notifications because cards need regional verification. Enable Face ID or Touch ID to authorize payments quickly. Make sure your iPhone's passcode is set. Google Wallet requires device security to add cards. These steps let you proceed smoothly into adding cards and transit passes. With Google Wallet open, tap Add Card and choose Payment Card or Transit. You can scan the card with the camera or type details manually. Your bank will verify the card. Expect an SMS code, email, or approval via your banking app. This prevents fraud and links the card to your account. Once verified, set a default card for Tap to Pay and confirm Apple Pay is not required. Make sure contactless payments are enabled in wallet settings so transactions complete instantly. Finish by testing a low-value contactless payment to confirm Tap to Pay works. This validates authorization and bank rules. Once confirmed, enable Google Account Sync and backups so passes and cards are recoverable. If a card fails to authorize, restart your iPhone and reopen Google Wallet. Then remove and re-add the card. This clears temporary tokens and forces fresh verification. If verification still fails, contact your bank to ensure mobile payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.